Any knock, fall, or touch is forbidden when the parts are under assemblage or disassembling, and the underside should be pad flat. If existing parts are found not match, be sure to find the cause. Please pay attention to the safety, no forced hit or fixing. The sequence of disassembling and assemblage is inverse. Disassembled parts should be encased at once. If there are any parts broken or lost, please fix them or make them up for the next time use. There must be a 3-ton or upward hoisting crane machine in copulation. Safety helmet required when under operation. Safety belt required when working high above the ground. All bolts must be tighten fixed. 40 feet standard container house fixing procession. After discharge at the site, every part must be placed in sorts. Verify the compliance with the foundation. Lifting the 40 feet to 20 feet frame of the house onto the base and fixed them in the right position. Lifting the other 20 feet roof covering onto other side. Take out the columns and fix them with the base 4-foot screw by connecting M10 bolt through the reserved holes at the column. Notice, the reserved holes at the bottom of the column must be correspondent to the of the 4-foot screws on the base. The column's broach must be facing inward. The column must be aligned with the base by the side. Fix the house top with the column by connecting M10 bolt through the reserved holes on the top of column. Notice, the reserved holes on the top of the column must be correspondent to the position of the 4-foot screw on the house top. The column must be aligned with the house top by the side edge of the floor. Please cut it off. The assemblage of the short wall. At first, insert 25 and 27 perpendicularly into the column at both sides. Then insert 26 perpendicularly into the middle of 25 and 27. And finally move 25 and 27 sideways into 26 so as to seal up the wall. Notice, sandwich panel assemblage direction should be accordance with the way that the grooves and tongues connect with the socket. So you should also notice the direction of the windows and make sure that the moon locks are inside the rooms and the door key holes are outside the rooms. You must fix the electric wire through the connect box on the roof before assembling the sandwich panels. During the assemblage, the wall sandwich panels must be supported with hand screws through the reversed holes of the straps and fix the straps at the bottom frame. The exposed screw rail should be covered with plastic cap. The fixing of inner corner. Fix the aluminum alloy corner part at the inner corner of the walls by using one group of 5/4 rivets every interval of 50 to 100 centimeters. The fixing of flooring angular skirting line. Fix the flooring angular skirting line clip 12 mm above the floor by using the self-tapping screw. One clip every 40 to 50 cm. The clips must be installed on a line, and then install the flooring angular skirting line outside the clips. The flooring angular skirting lines should be cut at the length accordance with the actual needs. Normally, the flooring angular skirting lines are connecting with each other in a line, and use corner connection strut at the corner, and use end cap at the door. The fixing of the lamp system. Connect the lamp wire with the wire in the junction box, then cover it with the box cover. Fix the junction box on the roof with self-tap screws. The fixing of the distribution box. Connect the wire in the junction box into the distribution box and link up with the in and out terminal. Notice the direction of in terminal should not be reversed. Set the ground wire outside the house to guarantee the safety. Test the inner electric circuitry is right or not. If right, then set up an electric circuit to the socket on the upper exposed wall. Everything should be testified all right before covering the junction box. Notice, the floor cannot be cleaned by water 5 mm. The assemblage must be accordant with the number on the mud seal and the sandwich panels. Assemble number 1 first, with the grooves and tongues outward. Insert the cut side into the column. Then hold up number 2 alongside the column. Insert 1 into 2 by sideway. The column at the other side. Assemble the 5 between 4 and 6. And at the final step, make the 5 move to sideway, so as to make sure the wall sealed up. If 6 is longer than the edge of the floor, please cut it off. Insert 3 perpendicularly into the grooves and tongues of 2. After all above has been done, assemble number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in the way as same as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then insert number 14 into the column. Set 13 between 12 and 14. And the last step is to insert 14 sideway into 13 so as to seal the wall up. Notice, sandwich panel assemblage direction should be accordance with the way that the grooves and tongues connect with the socket. You should also notice the direction of the windows and make sure that the moon locks are inside the room and the door keyholes are outside. Fix the flooring angular line clip 12 mm above the floor by using the self-tapping screw. One clip every 40 to 50 centimeters. The clips must be installed on a line and then install the flooring angular line outside the clips. The flooring angular lines should be cut at the length accordance with the actual needs. Normally, the flooring angular lines are connecting with each other in a line, and use corner connect at the corner, and use end cap at the door. The fixing of the lamp. Connect the lamp wire with the wire in the junction box, and then cover it with the box cover. Fix the junction box on the roof. The fixing of the distribution box. Connect the wire in the junction box into the distribution box and link up with the in and out terminal. Notice, the direction of in terminal should not be reversed, and then fix the distribution box onto the wall by using the self-tapping screw. Set the ground wire outside the house to guarantee the safety. Test the inner electric circuitry is right or not. If right, then set up an electric circuit to the socket on the upper exposed wall. Everything should be testified all right before covering the junction box. Notice, the floor cannot be cleaned by water or wet mop.